Hey everybody, what you're looking at here is a still from the video we're about to see, and it's of some kind of anomalous flying entity that I spotted in a wooded area of the Northeast earlier this year. And I'm posting this because I'm trying to see if anybody has seen anything like this or if anybody can identify what this is. It's anomalous because it has the capacity to fly in all directions, both vertically and horizontally, without the use of wings, propellers, or strings or wires or anything like that. Very strange. So let's take a look at this. So here it is coming down from the power lines. It's not very large, about 8 inches in length. There it is turning, and it touches down. Now at this point, as it hovers, I think it is aware that I'm observing it. It also may be trying to camouflage itself in the brush. As you can see very clearly here, as it moves in all directions, there are no wires or strings or propellers or wings of any kind to support it. So how is it flying?
It's okay.
Now it's going to head back up to the power lines. It then flies horizontally out into the street where I'm standing and hovers, this time horizontally. And then it turns and attacks.
Holy crap.
I'm posting this still from the end of the video for people to examine. This is a 4K still of this entity as it was hovering over the street. As you can see again, here there are no strings or wires or propellers of any kind attached to this anomaly. So the first question would be, what is this entity or object, and has anyone seen anything like this before? The second would be, how is it able to navigate in the air without any visible means of propulsion or wires or anything like that? So I welcome any rational theories and discussion of this anomaly in the comments. What could this be?